Lit up a fire, let everyone know. The sooner the better, they all want to go. We dance till the morning, we'll dance till we drop. When morning starts rising, we leave them with all that is ours. And down by the water, we set them all free. Your glowing eyes glitter like the stars by the sea. We all come from somewhere, we all have our doubts. We're chasing perfection, but we'll never figure it out. But somehow we lost it all. In the fall,
I found these cute cookie mug toppers at Aldi, and I thought that they would be really fun to try. There are leaf shapes and pumpkin shapes, and I just thought that they were so cute for fall.
you want nothing more than to rest your head and dream to astray. But someone here would like you to stay.
Hello everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. It is finally starting to feel like fall. The weather is cooling off outside. So we are going to have a very cozy fall day with all the Hygge vibes. So I hope you enjoy this video and enjoy coming along with me as we enjoy this early start to autumn.
And all the umbrellas were stuck in the ground. The rain came and filled them up when no one was around. We saw them coming, we saw them go. In this little town there is always someone alone. In the fall, dogs start barking, your body is set to escape.
Today I want to do some cooking and meal prepping. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cook some beets that I can put on salads for the week. The easiest method I found is to simply put the whole beets into a pot of water and then boil them, and then the skins just peel off so easily when they're done and cooled.
And after all, you want nothing more than to rest your head and dream to astray. But someone here would like you to stay.
This is definitely much easier to do with two hands than one, but I just wanted to show you how easily the skins do just come right off. Next, I'm going to cube these cooked beets, and then I'm going to put them in a container so that I can have them throughout the week to add to salads. This is my favorite salad to make with them that I've been making for lunches at work. It is spinach and then topped with the beets, and then I like to add some dried cranberries and some nuts such as almonds or pecans. And then today I added goat cheese as well. I also like to do apples or pears chopped on top. I just think that this is the perfect fall salad, and it's also really high in iron if that's something that you're working on eating more of like I currently am. The next thing I'm going to make is a crustless German apple pie. This is a new recipe I've been making this fall, and I've made it several times already, and I absolutely love it. My kids like it, and it's pretty easy to make. And I love that there's no rolling out of the crust to do. as you just pour an almost strudel-like batter on top of the apples. So the first thing you need to do is to grease your pan. I'm using a 9x13 casserole dish. When that's done, you're going to prep your apples. You don't have to peel them, but I like to peel them. And then you're going to simply cut them into thin slices.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my
If you have kids that leave half-eaten apples that they are finished with, this is a great recipe to do to use up those half apples so that they don't go to waste.
know what I do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Next, you're going to layer all your thin sliced apples into the casserole dish.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up.
Now we can set this to the side, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we can start on the batter. Begin by cracking 2 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and then 1/4 cup of sugar.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back.
Next, I'm going to add half a cup of almond milk. I use all non-dairy milk since we're dairy-free in our family, but you could, of course, use regular milk as well. To this, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, a half cup of flour, about a half teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Finally, I'll add about a tablespoon of cinnamon to the batter, as well as sprinkling the apples that I sliced in the casserole dish with cinnamon as well. After mixing thoroughly, we're going to pour as evenly as we can the batter over the prepared apples. Finally, you'll bake it in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes or until a knife comes out clean. This is so delicious and one of my favorite fall treats this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this cozy fall video. Leave a comment down below and tell me what's your favorite fall activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you ring that little bell button, you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.